Hello guys, welcome to another video of this channel. Now in this video we're going to be taking a look at something that is quite different, right? Now we're going to look at another platform called Fancy Hands, which is a virtual assistant kind of platform. Now if you're a virtual assistant from the US, then this must be a great opportunity for you. If you're living outside the US, right? If you're living outside the US, if you try to register, you're going to see this error that you've been blocked. Right, that is because Fancy Hands doesn't allow virtual assistant or people actually from who are not from the US to register. Right, because I think it saves them time to go through a number of applications because they need only virtual assistant from the United States. Now, what does a virtual assistant do? Now, a virtual assistant is basically someone that can actually assist, like maybe a business, in doing some of these tasks that I would say administrative tasks at most, like scheduling appointments, handling emails, maybe sometimes do phone calls, things of that nature, things that basically an assistant does. The only difference is that you will be working from home, right, remotely, and you won't be physically available in the office. Now, why do people hire a virtual assistant? Right. Now, people hire a virtual assistant for a number of reasons, right? Mostly, especially in the US, they don't want to go through the whole, processing. Employees, again, in the United States, they have to go through a lot of things. They have to get the health, kind of like insurance or whatever. I don't know, all those kind of things, right? And there are laws, right, that prohibit, employers and paying these employees certain wages. So they call this what they call a minimum wage or things like that. So they try to avoid these legal processes, right, of being maybe getting sued if they do something or if they don't cover certain things. So I would say hiring a physical employee is very expensive in the US than and anyway, they rather prefer to employ online, right? People that work online because there's a lot of things that you don't have to go through as a company, and this is true, especially for small businesses, right? Because as a small businesses, you'll have a lot of costs, and you don't have much money to handle some of those costs, right? So as I've said, you'll be doing a lot of things, right? Like this platform does a lot of things. You can schedule things, text messaging, all those kind of things. So I researched for some reviews for Fancy Hands, and basically it has like a 2.3 rating on Trustpilot, which is not bad, but of course this is just out of 23 reviews. And it is actually a legit platform. I'll say most of the complaints basically are related to management, right? And some of the testimonials from some companies like DuckDuckGo, like from this guy's CEO, he says Fancy Hands has fundamentally changed the way I think about getting things done. Otherwise, they really changed my way of life. So they have a lot of companies that actually hire from these kind of platforms. To get started, you have to come to the fancyhands.com/jobs, right? And from here, you have to basically click on the apply for position, and they will basically show you like what they're currently looking for, and basically what you'll be doing. Like examples, I've said, like you've been making phone calls, some BFF people, scheduling appointments, tracking down best price of something, finding what else, data entry, lot of these jobs. So they basically tell you what they're actually looking for, and the pay basically starts from $3 to $7 per task, and it can go up from there. And the payments go out every other week on Tuesday, and basically they pay through the bank, right? Since most of these people are from the United States anyway. So to start the registration process, of course, you have to put your email, and then they'll send you a confirmation email, which of course you have to confirm. Then you also have to put like your password and confirm it as well. Then from there you'll be presented with this form which you need to fill out, right? First name and last name, the physical street address, city, states, and all those kind of things. And to work, like which scenario below would a Google Doc be useful for? Give all these answers, right? Everything must be completely filled out, guys. So as I've said, like the reviews, mostly, even though they are negative, I think most of these negative reviews basically come from clients, right? class that work with the platform itself. But otherwise, as a platform where you can work home and make some extra cash online, freelance is basically, I think, great. So if you do have some sort of virtual assistant skills, and maybe you have some sort of certifications and things like that, I think this is something that you can try, and it might be a good opportunity for you. So guys, this is all about fancyhands.com. And again, thank you for watching this short video, and I hope you found it helpful. And until then, see you in the next one.
Business plans, company profiles, letterheads, resumes, and proposals. All these are very important in setting up your business and yourself for success. Hi, my name is Koliambez and I'm a business writer, designer, and consultant. I specialize in crafting professional business documents and also offering consultancy services for different businesses across industries. The documents are well written, well researched, and professionally designed to suit each and every business needs. Now, get ready to stand out from competition and get your documents done today. You can reach out to me using the provided details, and I will get back to you as soon as possible.